Yesterday, high temperatures. Looks like summer. 90 was the high temperature here in Corvallis, 88 in Eugene. For those of you in Roseburg, 89 yesterday. 95 was the warm spot in Medford. But we also saw mid-90s up in the Gorge, and the Dalles topped out at 94 there. Upper 80s for central and eastern Oregon. All of us in the same boat under those blue skies, except for the coast. Now, the north coast did see some sunshine. It got up to 70 yesterday. But for the central and southern coast, it was upper 50s and low 60s as that marine layer held strong all day yesterday. That'll pretty much be the case again today, while the rest of us seeing these clear skies overhead. Just a few low clouds this morning out at the Eugene Airport. Current temperatures at 51 degrees. Dew points down to 48, and the wind is calm. And just as soon as that sun gets up and going, those few clouds that are out there, I do expect to burn right up. Now, the jet stream, it's well up into Alaska and Canada, and that's blocking any storms from moving into our region. So we're going to continue to stay sunny and warm both today and tomorrow. Tomorrow, we're going to see that heat kick up an even further notch, though, as we have what we call a heat low or a thermal trough developing here over the Nevada-California border. And what that's going to do is it's going to start to move up from the south. It's going to force our winds offshore, keep those clouds out near the beach, keep us under blue skies, and bring in some heat from the central part of the state. So again, temperatures climbing another notch for tomorrow. But when we look into the weekend and into early next week, clear out in the western Pacific here, we do have a cold front that's just now starting to develop. That bank of clouds will move into our area Sunday night into Monday morning. It's going to bring in some cooler air with it, again, as this is originating near Alaska, and it's also going to bring in a chance for a little bit of light rainfall. So again, our weather is really going to start to move over the next couple of days, and you can see that on Precision Cast. This is our computer model. Looks into future. You can see those clouds this morning here for the Southern Valley, the Umpqua Basin, and for the entire coast. Those do burn off for all of us inland, staying at the beach from about Lincoln City south into Coos Bay. As we head into tomorrow, that's when that offshore flow is going to set up, bring in that heat from Central Oregon. It'll compress as it moves down the west slopes of the Cascades. Temperatures climbing into the low 90s here for the Southern Valley on Friday. But Saturday, it all switches around. We'll see those winds move 180 degrees right off the ocean. As that happens, clouds will move in for the first part of the day on Saturday. We'll start to see those temperatures drop, and they'll really start to drop by the time we get into Sunday and Monday with that cold front moving through. So for the coast today, very similar to yesterday, low 60s. Sun breaks into the afternoon with those winds from the north. You'll continue to see similar conditions on Friday. Saturday, more clouds move in. A little bit drizzle early in the day is definitely a possibility for both Saturday and Sunday. And then by Monday, when that front moves through, could even see a little bit of light rain from that. For the Umpqua Basin, you're looking at those upper 80s today. Sunny and warm, very summer-like for sure. But even warmer on Friday as we get those east winds moving in. 91 degrees. We'll cool it down to 86 Saturday, 80 Sunday, and then all the way to the 70s for both Monday, Tuesday. Cascades looking at mid-70s at the pass, low 80s in the foothills today. You'll be back into the mid-80s in central Oregon. You'll stay right there through the weekend, but next week you'll also see that brief cool down. Temperatures into the 70s Monday, Tuesday, but back up to 80 there for Wednesday. And for the valley, we're looking at upper 80s today, sunny and warm. Winds will be out of the north at 5 to 10 miles per hour. 90 on Friday. That'll be the warmest day of the week. And then we cool it back down. Saturday will be that transition day. Morning clouds, afternoon sunshine. High temperatures, very comfortable in the mid-80s. Then we drop to the mid-70s. The coolest day being Monday with mostly cloudy skies. A little bit light rain to start the day. But next week, we see that sunshine return by Tuesday afternoon, Wednesday back into the 80s.